This morning, we are learning more about how medical robots are helping with hip and knee replacement surgeries at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center.
That's right. Our Stephanie Valderrama is in studio with us this morning with more on this new technology and how it's helping patients get back on their feet faster. Stephanie?
Yes, good morning. So truly the future is here. So I want you to take a look here behind me. This right here is the MAKO. Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center has two of these medical robots which help perform both hip and knee replacements. Take a look. Before these robotic devices came on the scene, surgeons had to shoot dozens of x-rays to try and paint the best picture of the bone. This ahead of hip or knee replacement surgery. While surgeons strive for perfection, it wasn't the most effective way to do these surgeries. Now with the MAKO, surgeons can use CAT scans to get the most accurate picture of a patient's anatomy, which they input into the medical robot. The MAKO, under the surgeon's control, is less invasive and more precise, which surgeons are noticing leads to unbelievable results for their patients.
Because their outcomes are better, their recovery is quicker, we have to do less soft tissue releases, which equates to pain. So because we do less of that, they're taking less narcotic medications.
We caught up with John Popel, the owner of F45 Training in Palm Beach Gardens. He had the surgery roughly 3 months ago. He's one of the youngest patients at 51 years old to undergo hip replacement surgery using the MAKO, at least here in Palm Beach County. His results were outstanding. He was home just hours after the replacement surgery, which is highly rare, and was back to his regular and active lifestyle within 8 weeks.
Luckily enough, I really did not feel pain. I felt discomfort, but I really did not have pain, which was, knock on wood, I was very pleasantly surprised.
So according to Dr. Avino, prior to using the MAKO, hip replacements usually lasted roughly 10 to 20 years. Now they anticipate it could last much longer, 30 to 40 years, maybe even a lifetime. Now, due to his age, John will be a great case study for the longevity of the replacements using this medical robot. Back to you.